Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching from. Well, like I said, my name is Dinah C. Tony. So today I'm going to also brief you a little brief of West Africa Pidgin English. The topic today is about date. Look at it here. The topic is about date. For example, you want to ask somebody, how are you, when are you free, when did you have time, what are you doing, just to know somebody. Maybe you want to go out for a date or, so something like that. So today we are going to start from what do you do for a living? Which is what do you do for a living? So what do you do for a living? So that is in English. So I decided to change it in the way around. Previously I do use pidgin first, but now I'm going to change it to I change it to English first, then translate to pidgin. So I said, what thing you they do? So it's very short. You don't need to ask what thing they do for a living. No. What do you do for a living? What thing you they do? So that person will say, for example, I'm a teacher. In pidgin, we have two ways of saying it. You can say, na teacher I be, or I be teacher. So very simple, guys. What about the other one? It talks about what do you do on your free time? Hmm. Waiting you they do for your free time. So almost similar. He said, what do you do on your free time? This one said, waiting you they do for your free time. But it sounds almost the same, right? That is why I said it's the most simplest language you can ever learn. Because if you can understand English, this one is very simple to understand, guys. So let's go there again. This one said, when do you normally have free time? In Pidgin, it said, when you take the get free time. Notice why it's not here. You see, that is Pidgin. When you take the get free time, that is when do you normally have free time. So last and not the least, I said, I normally have free time on weekends. Oh, sorry, I normally have free time. I normally have free time on weekends. That is English. I they always get free time. I they always get free time on weekend. You see, this one is weekends, meaning it's almost every weekend. It's possible every weekend. But this one here is there's no plural or multiple words. Say weekend. So in pidgin, we don't normally use something like informal, or if we use just one, we don't use something like multiple. We use it as singular. So you can also read it for yourself again. What do you do for a living? What do you they do? I am a teacher. Now teacher I be, or I be teacher. What do you do on your free time? What do you they do for your free time? When do you normally have free time? When you take the get free time. I normally have free time on weekends. I dey always dey I dey always get free time on weekends. That is how it is, guys. So this is a very short note, so I'll write it. It's going to continue episode by episode, not just something we're going to rush. I tell you guys, try to subscribe so that you get a lot of content from this pidgin. I told you I'm sorry that I didn't upload it the way it's supposed to be, but I'm going to be uploading it. Don't worry, guys. Takes two.